Okay, the purpose of this video is actually to be able to educate you on how to set up a smart door lock manually. The next video is going to be how to add the smart door lock to the smart door lock app. So when you get a smart door lock initially, or let's say a smart door lock is being installed your door initially, maybe by any installer, and you didn't get to set it up, you can actually do by yourself if you have to follow the processes of this video. Now, this smart door lock comes with uh, facial recognition, which means if you were upright, if you look at the door lock, it's going to open automatically. Why? Because by anybody, because you've not yet set it up. Just like now, if I put this finger, it opens the supposed to open the door lock. That's because it's not been set up. If I put this other finger, it also does that. So now let's set up the door. So the first thing you do when you want to set up the door, you place your finger in front of the door lock, the numbers show. You now press star hash to ask for master information, which is 12345 6 hash. You enter and so it's looking for an admin password. Admin password is going to be the password of the admin. It has to be a password you remember. You cannot give it to anybody. So let me use 222333 hash. 222333 hash. So now it's asking me, the options it's asking me here is number one is local setting, number two wireless setup, number three motor setting. So we are going to local setting. At the local setting, number one is saying add user, number two delete user, number three lock setting, number four add admin. So if I want to make myself an admin, I click on number four. So it's asking for face, finger, password, and card. So I'll prefer I use my finger. My finger is number two. So I click on number two. So now I've gone back to where I'm going to click on add user in case I want to add another person. So click on one. It's asking for face. If it's for face, you add the face of the person through facial recognition. But now it is the fingerprint, which is number two, we want to add some other person's finger. So I press number two. So I'm using my other finger for my left hand. So it works. So to leave, you go. So the next stuff here is to add password. So to add password, I'll press 3. That's the password I can give to anybody that comes to the house. So I might decide to use 231101 hash. 231101 hash. So I come out of the password. The last one, number 4, is enter card. And this is the card we are supposed to add. So I click on number 4 and I put the card. Okay. So to leave the programming, I click on star until it exits. So let's confirm if all those areas are working. Number 1, fingerprints. That's with my right finger, which is the admin. So my left finger is not, is for, let's say, is the second person that we tried. The next one is the principle of using password. The password we used was 231101 hash. Then the last that we did was adding the card. So with this, you should be able to basically set up the door lock by yourself.